Welcome to today's guide on how to use a handy shortcut to close chats on WhatsApp web with the latest update. If you're someone who spends a lot of time messaging on your PC, this tip will make your experience smoother and more efficient. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open WhatsApp web on your browser. If you haven't logged in yet, scan the QR code using your phone to access your account. Once logged in, you'll see your list of chats displayed on the left side of the screen. Next, select the chat you want to close. Simply click on it to enter the conversation. This could be a personal chat or a group discussion, whatever you need to manage at the moment. Now, here's where the shortcut comes into play. Instead of manually navigating back to the main chat list or clicking around, you can instantly close the chat using your keyboard. Just press the escape key. That's it. The chat will close immediately, and you'll return to the main WhatsApp interface. This shortcut is particularly useful when multitasking or handling multiple conversations at once. It saves time and keeps your workflow seamless without needing to rely on mouse clicks. Remember, this feature works across both Windows PCs and Macs, making it universally accessible for WhatsApp web users. So whether you're responding to messages or organizing chats, mastering this shortcut can significantly enhance your productivity. Thank you for tuning in. Try this out today and enjoy a quicker way to manage your WhatsApp chats on PC.